Again, I want to repeat that as a country, as a deputy party leader of ODM, I'm determined, alongside with my colleagues, other deputy party leaders, my chairperson, to make sure ODM remains the only party, the biggest party in the country. I'm happy that yesterday the president said he's going to make sure ODM remains to be the party. I want to urge him, out of the meeting of yesterday and today, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, wewe ulikuwa, you were a member of ODM. How I wish, when you're going to sit down, that you come back to your former party, ODM. If you came back to ODM, definitely we'll have you as our flag bearer. If you came back to ODM, we will fulfill the promise Baba and a vision. But for sure, I know hard times are ahead of us. We will go through it. I know crocodiles are there. They have a mind. They'll try to swim above the waters. We will be there to handle them. As Simbarati, the governor of Kisii, and the deputy party of ODM, I can assure you that in 2027, we will have our candidate, ODM candidate, as a presidential candidate. We will form the government either as a party, as a coalition. And I want to assure you, we are no longer